Alright guys, good morning, it's Gio once again. Nandito na tayo sa surf, mamimingwit. Medyo maalon yung dagat, yung rough surf na sinasabi natin. So instead of using my other setup with the lure, I'll be using this Carolina rig. This has to hook about 5 to 6 foot of leader and an egg sinker. Very basic, but yeah. And of course, it's got on baits. There you go. Here's my setup. Synchroid Triumph. This is the 9-footer moderate action. Impaired ko siya ng Bonstal VR75. I know this is a little bit overkill for perch, but hey, you'll never know, right? So medyo balance siya, so okay lang. So kung ang budget nyo ay mga $100 to $130, I really recommend this rod. It's really nice. There you go. And very very sensitive, especially kung binabato nyo yung lure. Ay, for $100, $120, get this one. I highly recommend it. Alright, let's go. In the water guys. Ang goal natin ay makahuli ng isda, maliit man o malaki. Kukunin natin, scale them and cook them. Alright, let's go get them guys. Let's go. Alright. Woo! Got one, yeah. Got one, yeah. What are you? What are you? Oh, be a perch. Be a perch. Oh yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one, guys. With bottom baits. Oh yeah, good one with the bottom baits. Oh yeah, with orange tail. Oh hell yeah. Woohoo! Awesome, awesome.